Good evening and welcome to my midweek recap here for Apple and plan ahead for the remainder of the week. Have not taken any new trades still in Apple, however the plans would have worked out perfectly. Had a nice support here off the 21 SMA, 21 EMA that I was looking at these 220 calls here. As you can see, nice little $2 range had set up as a base and rallied up to 225. Would have been a very profitable trade had I not been focused on other things. Okay, enough of the hindsight speech. What I will be looking for going forward is a break above 225 for some 225 calls 2 weeks in the future. 21 EMA, I'll again be looking for the same 220s about 3 weeks out. Down here at the 50 SMA, I'll be looking for 205 calls 4 weeks out. And the 200 SMA down here, 185, 4 weeks in the future. Now the reason I'm going to take this breakout, if it does occur, we have a very big head and shoulders pattern that's formed that I'm sure there's going to be a lot of posts about. The bear's going to be hooping and hollering saying, oh, it's a top, it's a top. Okay, I got you. I'm going to take the bullish pattern for the simple reason that the trend is up. You trade with the trend, you're going to make a lot more money almost 100% of the time. I'm going to pull up the monthly time frame over here. You can see very strong moves higher. We've essentially broken out of an uptrending wedge. Can maybe be considered to be putting in a new leg higher. And last month was extremely strong. This month is just chopping. It's in the upper end of the range. Looks like to me bulls are still maintaining their ground and we're primed for a move higher. Established in my last video, we had several flag patterns that have played out. Most recently, even this year, here from April, flag up, consolidation, and into July and August, flag, consolidation, flag, and a little bit of a pullback. It's perfectly fine. Can't really expect things to go straight up forever. But with everything pointing up, all the participants look to be on the same side of the trade, and Apple, in my opinion, is going to continue to make another all-time high, just like the S&P 500. Tomorrow, I will be taking my breakout plays, especially after seeing what Tuesday's candle looked like. You see this very big green candle, decent amount of volume, of course, is lower than the candles around it, but still a very bullish candle. Today's volume confirms that there is participation at these levels, so we'll have to wait and see what happens on Thursday where the open is to determine if there's going to be a direction, a trend, or a chop. So it's got a $5 range here today, may open up and chop around inside of there. We haven't had a narrow range day for a while, but I've got my trade plan ready. We'll see what happens tomorrow. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Have a good evening and good luck.